And there's news just coming in, taking their offensive even further. Now, leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party are meeting Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde. Remember, in the morning, they'd gone to meet the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, and now they've gone to meet the Home Minister. Their demand is the same. They want the suspension of 4 police officials who they say had not cooperated with the Aam Aadmi Party in stopping illegal activities. Let's listen in to what their demand is.
ऐसे में NDMC के एरिया में दिल्ली पुलिस उनके अंडर में जो पुलिस रहे वो उनके अंडर में रह सकती है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के, और बाकी पूरी दिल्ली में जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का काम है वो दिल्ली सरकार, दिल्ली की चुनी हुई सरकार के अंडर में चलना चाहिए। एक तो ये रिक्वेस्ट किया है, दूसरा हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि जो ये तीनों मामले हैं, रेप केस वाला, बर्न महिला को जलाने वाला और जो ये ड्रग रैकेट वाला मसला है, इसमें जो पुलिस ऑफिसर काम नहीं कर रहे थे, जिन्होंने अपना काम ठीक से नहीं किया, उनको तुरंत सस्पेंड करना चाहिए। और उनके खिलाफ में जो इंक्वायरी एलजी साहब ने ऑर्डर किया वो तो चलती रहे, लेकिन साथ साथ में उनको सस्पेंड करना चाहिए। ये हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया है।
सर, इसमें एक बात यह है कि जो लेडी हैं, जो फॉरेन की लेडी हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि हम पुलिस कंप्लेंट लॉन्च कराएंगे। हमारे साथ मारपीट हुई है, सिविल ड्रेस के अंदर लोग थे और पुलिस ने आके हमको बचाया है, ऐसा उन्होंने आज बाइट दी है।
ठीक है, तो उनको करा देना चाहिए। एश्योरेंस उनका उन्होंने एश्योरेंस दिया है कि मैं एक आध दिन में फैसला लेके आप लोगों को बताता हूँ। उसके बाद
शीला दीक्षित had the same plea that Delhi police should be brought under Delhi government. Now,
बिल्कुल लानी चाहिए।
party targeted Sheila Dikshit then for escaping her responsibility.
हम escape नहीं कर रहे।
How are you different from the Sheila Dikshit government?
हम एस्केप नहीं कर रहे, हम तो कह रहे हैं सस्पेंड करिए, सस्पेंड करना पड़ेगा।
और जो लोग शीला दीक्षित पे आरोप लगाया था कि वो अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से भाग रही है, ये कह के कि दिल्ली पुलिस उनके अंडर
नहीं है। तो हम
नहीं
जिम्मेदारी से नहीं भाग रहे हैं, हम तो सीधे सीधे कह रहे हैं कि उनको सस्पेंड करना पड़ेगा। हमने एलजी साहब से भी कहा, हमने होम मिनिस्टर साहब से भी कहा। ये तीनों मामलों में जो भी ऑफिसर्स हैं, नेग्लिजेंस का मसला है, इसको तीनों को सस्पेंड करेंगे, तब दिल्ली में स्पष्ट संदेश जाएगा कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन कंट्रोल हो सकती है।
ये लोग तो अपने आप को विक्टिम्स बोल रहे हैं कि इन्होंने, पुलिस ने इनको बचाया है, और जो आपकी तरफ से जो लोग आए थे उन्होंने अभी, ये
तो सारा मीडिया रिकॉर्डिंग्स में है, मीडिया में लगातार चला है।
राहुल गांधी made an allegation, राहुल गांधी।
ठीक है, हो गया। अब
All right, so that was Delhi PWD and Education Minister Manish Sisodia. He is a part of the delegation that has gone to meet Sushil Kumar Shinde, the Home Minister, demanding action against 4 police officers, 3 SHOs and 1 ACP, who in 2 separate incidents they allege did not cooperate with ministers who were asking them to take action. Headlines today's Ankit Tyagi is with us on the phone line. Already the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Ankit, has shot down the AAP's demand that these officers be suspended. Do you have any details about which way the Home Minister is disposed?
Well, we have just learned that the meeting with the Home Minister lasted for about 20 minutes, in which Arvind Kejriwal had gone along with both the ministers and also Manish Sisodia. They presented their view. They said that the police should immediately be hauled up, and they reiterated the demand of the suspension. They also demanded action against the SHO in the dowry case, but the Home Minister has assured them that he will be taking cognizance of all these cases. He has also said that as soon as they are able to, he will ask the Delhi police for a report. And he also asked the Lieutenant Governor for a report, and within the next 1 or 2 days, he will be getting back to the Aam Aadmi, to the Delhi government for what action can be initiated against them. Padmaja, the Delhi Police Commissioner B.S. Basi was also summoned. In fact, the Home Minister is meeting him separately, and only then, after hearing both the sides, the Home Minister would be addressing what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying.
Apparently, the Aam Aadmi Party also raised the demand again that the Delhi police should be under the control of the Aam Aadmi Party. How was that discussed in the meeting, and what was the outcome, Ankit?
For better coordination and for the overall law and order situation of Delhi, when the government is responsible, so the police should be given the charge of police should be brought under a city government. But the Home Minister had said that all these things are they will require further discussions. They require in-depth all these things will require constitution changes and so on and so forth. For that, the Home Minister has said that it will require a larger debate. But as far as the immediate action against the police officers are concerned, the Home Minister has assured the Delhi Chief Minister that he will be taking a report. He will be asking the Delhi Police Commissioner and the Lieutenant Governor for a report, and only then he would be able to take some action.
Ankit, Manish Sisodia when he was asked pointedly about the allegations that have been made by those women who are African nationals about how the Aam Aadmi Party members assaulted them, manhandled them, had nothing to say. He is standing by Somnath Bharti and his party workers despite these very grave allegations of how they acted much beyond the law and not only abused these women but also assaulted them.
Well, on that, as you've rightly pointed out, he tried to skirt off the issue. He only said that if they have some complaint, they should go to the police and register their complaint, but not clarifying or not even apologizing as far as this entire incident is concerned. The feeling within the government and the Aam Aadmi Party is that what the minister did was actually required. There have been complaints from the local residents, and they also said that if there are any allegations of those women being manhandled by the party workers, and if the police has some proof, they will definitely initiate action against those party members. But they believe that the minister had no other option because the local police there was not responding to the repeated complaints of the residents in the area about that particular house and the residents of that house. And he said that the minister then had to go in and probably tried so that the problem could be solved.
All right, Ankit Tyagi, thanks very much for joining us on that story. In fact, just to bring our viewers up to speed with what has been happening over the last 48 hours, it seems, and you've seen their moves over the last 24 hours, the Aam Aadmi Party government has declared open war on the Delhi police, but the police are also not holding back. Just a day after two ministers of the AAP were involved in a public altercation with the police, both sides up the ante. Today, the top leadership of the AAP met the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi demanding the suspension of 3 SHOs and 1 ACP who had stood up to Rakhi Birla and Somnath Bharti on 2 separate instances. The Delhi Police too, on its part, has submitted its report on both the incidents involving the ministers. Headlines Today has accessed excerpts of this report. This is what it says about the incident involving the African nationals. And I'm quoting from the report now. The minister and his men detained 2 women and asked the PCR personnel to frisk them, but the PCR staff denied as they were not legally empowered to do so. The report also goes on to say that the men caught hold of 4 more women from Uganda and they alleged that these ladies were drug traffickers and sex workers. Then the group asked us to arrest them and frisk them to recover drugs. Legal experts say that what the minister demanded was in contravention of the law.